In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new wallet address on Coinbase. Easy way. We'll walk through setting up a fresh wallet inside the Coinbase Wallet app, the self-custody wallet that gives you full control over your crypto. If you're on the main Coinbase Exchange app, make sure you've downloaded Coinbase Wallet instead, as the steps happen there. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app on your device. From the home screen, choose the option to create a new wallet. The app will prompt you to enter a username. This is your public handle that others can use to find you or send assets. Pick something simple and recognizable, and remember, it doesn't have to include any personal information. Next, you'll see a checkbox to confirm you understand the terms shown on screen. Check that box and tap Submit to move forward. The app will now introduce your secret recovery phrase. Tap the eye icon to reveal it. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. Anyone with it can access your funds, and no one can recover it for you if it's lost. So treat it with extreme care. Make sure to copy it and save it securely. Avoid screenshots or cloud photo backups. Write it down on paper and store it somewhere safe, or use a trusted offline method. When the app offers to backup manually, choose that option and paste it only into a secure location you control, such as an encrypted password manager or a secure notes vault. Keep it private and never share it. To verify you saved it correctly, the app will ask you to tap the first and last word from the phrase. Complete that quick check, then continue. You'll be asked again to agree to the terms and privacy policy. Check the box to confirm your consent. Now choose how you want to secure the app on your device. You can use Face ID or create a password. If you choose Face ID, tap OK to allow biometric access. This helps keep your wallet locked if someone else has your phone. If you prefer a password, create a strong one you won't forget. The app may prompt you to turn on notifications. Enabling them helps you get transaction alerts and security updates. Follow the prompts, check the required box, and accept. When everything is set, tap Done, and then got it on the final screen. That's it. Your new Coinbase wallet is ready, and you've created a secure foundation for your wallet addresses. You're all set to explore, receive assets, and stay in control.